Rivers State government don revoke and re-award the Adoni section of the Ogoni, Okpobo, Nkoro, Adoni Unity Road project sake of say the contractor no gree finish the project after many years. The governor of Rivers State, Fubara, yarn tori pipo dis one when he carry waka go do check for the road project on Saturday, June 10, 2023. The governor come tok say Rivers State government don pay the contractor their full money to work and he no dey happy with the way dem take about on the project. Oga Fubara come tell the commissioner of works say make he cancel the project now and make he re-award the project to another contractor wey is serious to complete the road project on time.
There was a meeting 1 year ago. That was when I was still the accountant general, so I was privileged to be in the meeting. The kings, the chiefs, the opinion leaders of all the landowners were there, and the contractors of this road was also there. He was asked, "What is your problem? What are the things we need to do?" He placed his demands, and every demand he made, the government obliged him. I can tell you that this project, this section of the Andoni Road, have been paid 100%. What we are owing is a billion naira, which is supposed to be a retention. From what I've seen here today, we still have more than 45% job to be done. We are left with one option. I think there's a big elephant in this road. We will remove that elephant, just like the president did remove the elephant of subsidy. We will remove the elephant, and I've just spoken with the commissioner. If they should commence the process of revocation of this job, and so that we can give it a contractor that is serious and that can deliver. We don't mind what it will take.
Governor Fubara tok say dem don promise the people of all the 23 local government areas say the security of lives and property na their major assignment, and come say dem go make sure say dem finish all the projects wey dem start for the 23 local government areas. Fubara come tok say make dem remember say na Dr. Peter Odili administration na start the Ogoni, Okpobo, Nkoro, Adoni Unity Road project when the immediate past administration come complete some of the major parts of the project, and say now dem promise the people of Adoni say within the first year of your administration im go complete the road project.
In our campaign promises in all the 23 local governments, we did pledge that security of life and property is our major assignment. To add to that, that will ensure that every project within that communities, the LGS that are ongoing, will see to the completion of it. You all know about this Andoni Opopo Ogoni Road. They call it Unity Road. It was a project that was initiated and commenced at the time of Sir Dr. Peter Odili administration. The immediate past administration also promised the Andoni people, the Obolo community, that within his tenure, that the road will be commissioned. We did make a promise to our people, the Andoni people, that this road will be delivered. And I can tell you here that if we don't complete it or deliver it within the next 100 days, it will not exceed my 1 year in office.
From Rivers State, A. Carter, Ojesele, TMC TV News.